Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a battery life review of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and this phone comes with a massive 4000 mAh battery size that supports 15-watt fast charging, and the processor we have on this phone is a Samsung on Exynos 9611 chipset with 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB internal storage. And the main highlighting feature about this phone I think is the display, because this phone comes with a very massive 6.5-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display. And also you know that the Super AMOLED display, it is one of the best displays on the market right now. And also we have a Infinity O display which give you a very immersive experience when you're using YouTube, and also when you are playing games on this display. That I first completely charge this phone up to 100%, and then I am using this phone as my daily driver for about 2 days. Now the battery percentage on the A51, and you can see it is at 7%. And I use YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, Instagram, and I also using the PUBG mobile game as well as S19. And you can see now the battery percentage on the A51 is at 7%. So now let's go to the settings and show you device care, battery. And now let's go to the battery usage, and you can see, and I am using this phone on 28 January, and you can see on this date this phone gave me a 1 hour and 58 minutes screen on time with 100 brightness level, and you can see. And on this date I am using YouTube for about 58 minutes, and this app will consume 9.2%. And I also use Instagram for about 15 minutes, and this app will consume about 2%. And I am using the Samsung internet browser as well for about 9 minutes, and it consumes 1.5 percentage. And I am using Facebook, camera, and some more apps. And you can see on the next day I am using this phone as very hard as possible. On this 29 January this phone gave me a 2 hours and 41 minutes. On this day I am using YouTube for about 47 minutes, and YouTube is consumed 14%. And I also play the game that is called as PUBG Mobile for about 40 minutes, and this game will consume about 11%. And I am also using the camera for about 8 minutes, and this app will consume about 5.6%. And I also use Instagram, and you can see some more apps, and you can see we have 1 hour and 58 minutes. Let's calculate this time on the calculator. And guys, overall I have to say this phone gave me a 1 hour and 58 minutes plus 2 hours and 41 minutes, and we have 6 minutes on this day right now. And guys, this phone gave me a 4 hours and 45 minutes screen on time with 100 brightness level. And I am using the location, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi all the time. I don't use mobile data that much because I have Wi-Fi, and I am using the Wi-Fi all the time. And overall I have to say regarding the battery life of this phone, and I have to say this phone give you a really good battery life, but not excellent, because Vivo S1 and S1 Pro give you a 4500 mAh battery size that support 18-watt fast charging. But overall the battery life is really good on this phone. And guys, if you buy this phone you will not disappoint about the battery life of this phone. And this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery size. The battery life is good on this phone. It's also we have a in-display fingerprint scanner which I show you right now, and you can see sometimes it is work, sometimes it is not work. But overall the battery life is good on this phone. This phone is charged from 0% to 100% in 1 hour and 51 or 52 minutes, because I already done the battery charging test on the Samsung Galaxy A51. You can watch that on my channel, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. And thank you so much for watching this battery life review of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Again I have to say the battery life is good on this phone, not excellent, because we have a 4000 mAh battery size compared to 5000 or 4500 mAh battery size on some another phones. Let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A51. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.